in every word that was spoken. So I wanted to introduce this book because it has a lot to do with the numerology that was associated with the Las Vegas shooting, and I wanted to get into that. There's been a lot of people that have asked me questions about the number 864 and all these different things that I posted on Facebook for the Las Vegas shooting and whatnot. And I just wanted to go over a few things that were really that are profound, that have to do with Las Vegas and the Las Vegas shooting. And number one, the number 864. So first of all, the sun is 864,000 miles in diameter, and there's 86,400 seconds of the day, and both of those numbers have the base number of 864. Now, Lord Jesus Christ in English, Jesus Christ in English multiplied across, Jesus times Christ, I think it's 27 times 32, is 864. And Kyrios Iousis Christos in Greek is 864. So you have, the diurnal cycles of the sun having the base number 864, and the diameter of the sun also with 864. Now, I want to get to Stephen Paddock. Stephen Paddock, his number is 864 as well. If you multiply his name across, which is 314, it starts with pi, and pi is always encoded in all of these things. As you see, pi and the English alphabet, this kind of brings it, all together for anybody who's interested in, finding out more. That pi is always encoded in these different things that are going on, that you'll see in the news, and things that are actually based on something entirely different, things that people don't really know about, but yet they're there. And if the people that do know about them can analyze the situation and actually see what it is that what they're doing in the what I call a satanic ritual or dark occult ritual. Anyway, so going back to 864, Stephen Paddock, his number is 314-4233. And if you multiply Paddock, just the last name across, you get 864. And note that in the beginning of his name, it starts with 314, which is pi. That's pi encoded into his name. And I would suggest that perhaps, way beforehand, that this thing was planned out way in advance, and they used the name Paddock, which also means a square field. And that's another a whole nother thing. When at the Las Vegas shooting, when they when it started at 10:08, everybody was in a square field, and that's where the shooting actually took place in Las Vegas, right there in front of the Mandalay Bay, and right in front of the obelisk and the pyramid there. But 864, the number of Paddock, and 864 Kyrios Iousis Christos, and Jesus times Christ, 864. That is an old ancient number that is coming from the Greek language before it was ever converted to English. So anybody can check on that and verify the validity of that, and make sure that see, hey, is that really true or not? And if you look at the Kyrios Iousis Christos is 800, 888, and 1480, and if you add those together, it's 3168. And if you divide that by the time that the shooting started, which was at 10:08, it equals pi. It equals pi. So 3168 divided by 10:08, it's pi again. And the days from the beginning of the year until when the shooting happened on October 1st is 275 days. And if you take 864 divided by 275, again you get pi. So pi is encoded inside, in that event, you have